One of the uniquely powerful things in Shoreline is that you can run a command across 10,000 hosts in about the same time as it takes to run against just 10. And the same command across clouds, across VMs, containers, all of it. Now, that's also a little bit scary. So how do we protect ourselves? How do we create safe production operations? In fact, safer production operations than letting SREs just log into production using SSH and doing whatever they want. The first part of it is we run everything as Terraform scripts. So you can deploy to dev, to staging before you go to production, and you can lock down production. So that way you can go through the same kind of testing for your scripts as you do for your code, with fault injection and all the rest of it. The next thing is that you can limit the blast radius of an action. Say that this user can only execute across this many resources at a time. The third thing is that you can go and say, hey, we'll have circuit breakers for automated actions or human guided actions to limit the number of times something can, happen. So like X times in Y seconds. And you can make that either something where you limit to 100 at a time, then pause and then do the next 100, or just say 100 at a time and that's it. And, past that, go to a human being to look at it. And beyond that, there's also the ability to do fine-grained access control. And by fine-grained, I mean really fine-grained. Like only people in my Kafka group can go and modify or the Kafka environment, and only when they're on call, and only these particular actions. And I think that really enables a lot of both power and safety, where you can let a lot of people run diagnostic actions, but only a limited number of people, your high judgment people, to run things that aren't necessarily safe, but do need to get run, and not hobble them with having to go into one box after the next to make things happen. That doesn't actually add any more safety. It just adds friction.